Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. I'm Sandra and in today's video we are going to have a closer look on the standing pose Ardha Chandrasana, also known as the half moon pose. If you are new to my videos, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. What do you need for today's practice? Please be close to a wall. A block would be great. Obviously, your mat. And as always, good intentions for the upcoming practice. And then I would say, let's get on our mat and let's practice. So to go into Ardha Chandrasana, I start by moving into Utthita Trikonasana, that's the triangle pose. Relax before you move and shift the weight to your right and then bring the left foot back. So I'm almost leaning against the wall and then I turn my right foot in. So now both feet are pointing forward and I allow myself to bend slightly my legs. And then I move into Utthita Trikonasana, so into the triangle pose. On the ball of my big toe, right foot, and I turn my leg out. So it is that screw movement with my right leg. I press that toe down and forward, and that brings my right sitting bone in direction to my left heel. And I bring the left foot a bit out. So this would be Utthita Trikonasana, and it's very nice really to feel the wall behind me. You can much more relax in the pose itself and figure out what is actually working here and how much you have to root for the upper part of your body feeling light. And you look to your fingers. And from here, first bring my left arm down. I place it on the sacrum. And now I bend my right leg to go into Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. I'm almost like sliding along the wall. And now I place the block in front of me and I shift my weight onto the right leg. It's really a shifting of weight. So you shift your weight. And it is by that shifting of the weight that you bring the other leg up. And here you can see it's very nice to have the wall in the back. Block helps me to stay, to not collapse. And here you can feel probably that it is not only a standing pose, but as well a balancing pose because you're only on one leg, and a hip opener. So this turn actually the leg out. Once again, try to lean as much as possible against the wall. That gives you a feeling of how the pose is supposed to be in the end. And allow yourself always to bend a bit the standing leg to connect again. So don't be stiffed in the pose. If you feel any discomfort in your neck, bring the arm down. Look even down if that feels more comfortable. And to come back, you bend the front leg again and bring the hand in. And you go back. You bend as much as you need to bend for the other leg to come down. And then you go back into Utthita Trikonasana. And then you come back and you go to the front. I hope that this little insight brought you something, resonated with your own practice. If so, please like my video and share my video. Leave your comment below. Let me know how you practice Ardha Chandrasana. It's nice to share our insights, I feel, so that we can learn from each other. I will be back next week again, and I hope you do the same. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.